if you're in a high school of 1,500 or 2,000 kids, you still know which kids are running the system, don't you? Yeah, those kids don't hide. Can you have a behavior plan that 85 teachers can follow for one kid? You sure can, as long as it's not complicated. A behavior plan can be just when you see this kid, you tell them this and you walk away. That could be the whole plan. Guess what? If 85 teachers walk up to a kid and say, go ahead to the room that you're assigned to, and turn around and walk away on their heel, eventually that kid ends up in the room they're assigned to. But if 10 of you go, hey, go ahead to the room you're assigned to, and 5 of you go, what's your name? And 3 of you go, oh, it's you again, and where are you supposed to be? We don't have a behavior plan. So I go to my staff and I say, hey, based on my data, I got Polly, she's ramping it up again, and she's not going to class. She's all over the hallways. You know who she is. We're here to help you. We're here to help her. So what I want my staff to do is when you see Polly wandering the halls, here's what you say to her. You say, hey, go ahead to the class that you're assigned to, and you walk away. Turn very quickly, so in case she decides she wants to give you a little bit of lip or give you the finger, you don't see it, and you can just go ahead and go on to your class. All right, we want to protect you too. But I want to give you something to say and something to do. So that eventually, every time Polly hears it, she's like, oh my gosh, I can't believe that 85 of the staff are everybody saying the same thing to me. Eventually, I end up going back to class because I'm not getting any attention. I'm not getting a fight from you. I'm not getting all the stuff that I want. So I might as well go to class. It's not fun anymore. And that is a behavior plan for one kid that 85 people can follow. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.